In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove green screen in Affinity. By the end, you'll know how to quickly key out a green background and leave clean transparency behind your subject, perfect for compositing onto a new background. Start by opening the Affinity app on your computer and making sure your photo is visible on the canvas. Click on the image to ensure it's the active layer. You'll know it's selected if you can see it highlighted in the Layers panel and your tools respond to it. If your project has multiple layers, make sure you're on the layer that contains the subject in the green background. Next, look to the toolbar on the left and choose the Flood Selection tool. This is the tool designed to select areas of similar color, which is exactly what we want for a green screen. When the tool is active, check the options along the top context toolbar. The tolerance setting controls how broad the selection is. Lower values select only very similar greens. Higher values grab a wider range. If your background is evenly lit, a mid-range tolerance often works great. If you see options like contiguous, leave it on if you want to select only connected areas. Turn it off if the green appears in multiple separate spots. Now click directly on the green background in your image. You should see a selection outline, often called marching ants, appear around the area the tool detected. If it doesn't grab all the green at once, that's okay. Hold Shift and click additional green areas to add them to the selection. If the tool starts creeping into your subject, undo, lower the tolerance a bit, and try again. You can also hold Alt or Option while clicking to subtract areas you don't want selected. With the green area selected, simply press Delete on your keyboard. The green screen will disappear, revealing transparency behind your subject. In Affinity, transparency typically appears as a gray and white checkerboard. If you notice small patches of green still hanging around, just click those leftover areas with the Flood Selection tool and press Delete again. For halos along edges, zoom in, try a slightly lower tolerance, and make a few careful additional clicks before deleting so you keep fine details like hair or fabric. That's all there is to it. You opened your image, selected the Flood Selection tool, clicked on the green screen to target it, and pressed Delete to remove it. With a clean, transparent background, you're ready to place your subject on any background you like. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.